Hi guys, it's a rainy day here in Florida. We are taking Sadie to the veterinarian. She's getting another shot. I think it's for rabies. And we're real excited to see how much she weighs because she's grown quite a bit. Hi Sadie. Taking a nap. How much do you weigh? Did you want to tell everybody how much you weigh? 40 pounds? Oh my goodness, 40 pounds? Yes. Sadie. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh.
This is exciting. Dr. Well-water bacteria test to find no bacteria. So we're going to do something that I think is going to be fun. I'm going to pick you up.
Well, welcome back everyone. The last couple of weeks we have been working on fencing. If you've watched the previous blogs, you'd know that our little puppy Sadie has been on a leash since we've gotten her, and we are very, very excited to let her run free at the ranch. So we've been working on fencing, and you know, it's just a lot of work doing fencing. I didn't film it because I think fencing is probably the worst blog you could possibly do. Who really wants to see people installing fencing? I don't. Anyways, but I will show you how it looks when it's all said and done. We're ready to run the fencing along the back side of the property and put in a gate. So, and then after that, Sadie's gonna run free. So it's exciting. She is going to enjoy herself, get all that needed running in and all that pent up puppy energy. So really looking forward to it. So I'll show you how far we are so far and when I let her loose. So this is the fence that we put up. We put this gate here. This enters into the secret garden. And as you can see, we started clearing out some of this area. Whoop. But this was what we were working on. Probably a month now it's taken us. Okay guys, wow, I really thought this chicken was dead. It laid in that spot for about 15 minutes, but she's alive. Hello, I'm very happy you made it. Sadie was playing a little rough, but you're okay. That's very nice. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to spend the rest of my night snuggling with Sadie. See you soon. Bye.